With designs that blend the sophisticated appeal of antique aesthetics with the rustic charm of farmhouse style, you can turn your bedroom into a sanctuary of eternal beauty. This is your manual for designing a bedroom that is so stunning and welcoming that it seems like you're entering a dream. Let's examine gorgeous and intricate concepts that will enthrall and motivate your upcoming bedroom renovation. Furniture is the foundation of any bedroom design. For a rustic farmhouse vintage style, opt for grand wooden pieces with intricate detailing. A canopy bed with distressed wood, paired with antique-style side tables, can instantly create a focal point. Add luxurious touches like tufted upholstery or ornate drawer pulls for a refined yet cozy ambience. The right textiles can transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat. Use high-quality materials like linen, velvet, and cotton in layered patterns. Play with rich textures, muted colors, and soft finishes to create a harmonious blend. An expansive bed with a white headboard and bedding with a delicate floral design is part of a farmhouse-style bedroom. At the foot of the bed is a wooden bench that can be used for storage. Overall, the atmosphere is calm, beautiful, and rustic. Rustic farmhouse decor is all about storytelling. Use heirloom pieces, antique clocks, vintage art, and botanical prints to add charm and personality. Group elements thoughtfully to create visually pleasing focal points. If you love these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss* and turn on notifications for more inspiring design content. Let us know your favorite idea in the comments below.